guys, today we'll be learning Korean today, and these are beginner sentences. Now let's get started. Here is the first word. My assistant will be telling you these words. Now let's go.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Hello. 진행입니다. 진행입니다. My name is 한국어 공부해요. 한국어 공부해요. I study Korean. 한국어 잘 못해요. 한국어 잘 못해요. I speak a little Korean. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you. 화장실 어디예요? 화장실 어디예요? Where is the bathroom? 저는 라면 좋아해요. 저는 라면 좋아해요. I like ramen. 한국어 뭐 좋아요? 한국어 뭐 좋아요? I like Korea.
Guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down your favorite country. Mine is South Korea. Now let's continue on with the video.
잘 지내요? 잘 지내요? How are you? 오늘 뭐 해요? 오늘 뭐 해요? What are you doing today? 친구 있어요. 친구 있어요. I have a friend. 이거 있어요. 이거 있어요. Give me this. Or, can I have this?
And that's it for today, guys. Oh, hang on. I'm about to do the last one. 안녕히 가세요, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more learning Korean videos and geography videos. Bye, guys. Hit the outro.